Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve jump button on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve jump button on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to CapCut and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your informations or can cause you errors on your app of CapCut. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.